Hey friends, so today we'll start with the seventh part, and that is solving equations using order of operation. Okay, so the order of operation means basically it is telling about board mass. Okay, I hope you might be knowing board mass. Board mass is brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so when we are given an equation and we have to find the answer, so how we can do it using a board mass technique. Okay, so let's start by solving the questions. This is the full form, and okay, I'll give you one question. Question 1 is 8 plus 20 divided by 10 equals to t. Okay, so using board mass, first we will see for a bracket. Okay, here there's no bracket. Okay, so we'll skip for the division. Here there's a division. Yes, this is the division, right? So we'll first perform that and it will give us 8 plus 2. Fine. We are basically solving LHS because that's what we have to solve. LHS. 8 plus 2. And now it is addition. So it will give us a 10. So our answer is 10. That is equals to T, which is equals to RHS. Therefore, the answer, that the value of T is 10. Okay. So this type of questions are very easy compared to other questions, and we can solve it very easily. Question 2. 6 1 plus 1 equals to y. This is a very, I don't know why I've written this question. It's a very simple question. Solution. LHS. Left hand side. Okay, left hand side means left hand side of this equation. So on the left hand side of this equation equals to, there is 6 into 1 plus 1. Okay, so now using board mass, we'll see first there is a bracket. Yes, this is the bracket, right? Then it has a additions. Okay, so we'll perform that. It will become 6 times 2. It will give us a 12. Therefore here y equals to 12. Okay, question 3. It is given m equals to minus 2 raised to a power of 2 into minus 8. Okay, so now we have to find the value of m. So basically we have to solve RHS here. Okay, we'll do BODMAS, board mass again. Fine, there are brackets, so we'll first solve brackets. Okay, now what we will do, we'll solve this bracket and it will give us minus 2 square. Okay, so square means if I have written x square, it means x times x. Okay, so minus 2 square will become minus 2 times minus 2. Okay, so it will give us a 4. How it is happening? See, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, and when you multiply two negative numbers, it will always give you a positive number. Okay, if you multiply one negative number and one positive number, it will give you a negative number. Fine, so here the square answer will be a 4 and it is multiplied by minus 8. So now I can multiply both of the numbers and see, it is a there is one negative number and one positive number right here. So negative times positive will give a negative number, and 4 times 8 is 32 if I'm not wrong. Okay, so the value of m is a negative 32 minus 32. Okay, now we do question 4. Question 4 says b equals to 14 times 34 minus 37 divided by 3. Okay. So first what we will solve, see this is multiplication, this is division. Okay. So the first thing we will solve is the bracket, right? As we have learned, the first thing we have to solve is the bracket because it is BODMAS bod mass. Okay. So first thing is the bracket, and then in the bracket there is a subtraction. Okay. So I'll write B equals to 14 times 34 minus 32. Okay, it is not 32, it is 37. Okay, 37. Yeah. So 34 minus 37 will give a negative 3 divided by 3. Okay. So now this is the equation. And now what we have to do is we have to solve this equation. So now see, now the bracket are gone. Okay, so basically it is 14 multiplied by a negative 3 divided by 3. Okay, so now which is at a higher priority here? So that is the division part. Okay, so this division it is at a higher priority. So we'll first divide this, so it will give us a 14 times minus 3 divided by 3 will give us a minus 1, and it will lead us to minus 14. Okay, so this is a question. So I hope you understood what I taught you. See you in the next session.